Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Tweety Bird. Let's get started in the center of our page with the beak. So I'm going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve coming down the middle and then back up on the right. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve going up along the top of the beak. So we're going to curve up and then back down. Now let's draw in the lower beak. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, coming down and then back up. Now on the sides of the beak, we're going to draw on the cheeks. So on the left side, we're going to draw a curve coming in and then back out. We're going to draw that curve in the opposite direction on the right. Now on either side, we're going to step up and draw a curve for the cheeks. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then back down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. So on the left side of the cheek, we're going to step in, draw a large oval, going out and up towards the top of the eye. Now we're going to curve this back down towards the inside. Curving this around and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, we want to create a little overlap. We curve in and up towards the top, round this out, come down along the outside, in behind the cheek. Now we're going to push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So let's start on the left, on the inside edge of the eye. We're going to curve up, round this out, and come down about halfway along the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw a smaller half oval on the inside for the pupil. So from the top, we're going to step down, curve up, curve around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add in some eyelashes. From the top of the left eye, I'm going to curve out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we're going to add 2 more eyelashes along the side. So we're going to step down, curve out and up, step down again, and draw that 1 more time. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now from the ends of the cheek, we're going to leave a little gap and curve out the side of the head in towards the neck. Starting on the left, we're going to step out, curve out, round out the cheek, and now we're going to pull that in. We want to leave a little gap in the center. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now from the top of the cheek, we want to draw a large circle for the top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this out, and then up. We're going to go up towards the top of the head. Going up, rounding out the top of the head. Now we're going to bring this back down on the right side. Right on top of the cheek. Let's add the eyebrows along the top. Starting on the left, just above the eyelash, we're going to curve up and then in. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, curve out, and then down. Let's add some hairs along the top. Right from the center, we're going to step down, we're going to overlap the head, curve out towards the right. Now from the top of the head, we're going to step out towards the right, curve out, and we're going to do that 2 more times. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start with the neck first. Starting from the left side of the head, we're going to curve in and then down. Let's go to the right side and curve in the opposite direction towards the same height. From the base of the neck, we're going to curve up the shoulders and then down towards the elbow. So let's start on the left side, we're going to curve up, round up the shoulder, curve down. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and then curving that down. Now we're going to move to the inside and draw on the side of the body. So just underneath the shoulder on the left, start by coming down, curve it out towards the left, round out the body, and then pull that in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line at the top, come down, and curve out towards the right, round out the body, and then pull that in. Now we're going to have the arms tucked in behind the body. So starting on the left elbow, curve down and in behind the body. The same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move up and curve over towards the left and then over towards the right. We're going to continue working down with the legs. So in between these 2 points, right in the middle here, we're going to draw a curve from left to right. You're going to gap on either side. Now let's draw on the leg. From this point in the hip, we're going to step out, curve around, I'm going to come down and in towards the middle. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, we're gonna come down, round this out, and pull that in towards the side of the hip. Now we're gonna draw the legs in behind this fold. Starting on the inside of this curve, we're gonna come out and then curve that back in towards the heel. Go in the opposite direction on the right side. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we're gonna curve down and then up towards the left. Go to the right side, curve down and then up towards the right. Now from the end, we're gonna curl over the toes. Starting on the left side, I'm gonna round this out and then pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving around and pulling that in. Now we're going to layer the second toe in behind. Starting on the top of this toe, curve up and in. Now I'm going to pull this down towards the ankle. Curving around and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top of the toe, curve around and then pull that down and in. Now I'm drawing the outside of the leg. From the ankle, we curve in and straight up. Now the last thing we're gonna do is add the tail over on the left side. Starting on the side of the body, we start by curving up, across, and then back up. Now from this tip, we're gonna curve down and in behind the body. Come down, and then in, and that's pretty much it. There we have it, there's Tweety Bird. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.